Hello everyone, this is my review of the CTSC Backyard Zipline Kit. Everything felt high quality out of the box. The cable, trolley, harness, spring brake, and tree protectors are all solid and well built. You can use the Zipline 3 different ways: free hang with just your hands, a harness keeps you strapped in, or a swing seat. Installation is straightforward using the included ratchet strap and tensioning tools. To adults, or a cable puller may be needed to remove slack, but once tightened, the Zipline functions flawlessly. The stainless steel spring brake stops smoothly at the end. There are a few considerations to keep in mind. Setup takes effort. Tensioning the cable can be a workout, especially solo. The rope seat can cause some discomfort, so padding may be needed. If you're looking to transform your yard into a safe, sturdy, and fun backyard adventure zone, this Zipline kit is a fantastic pick. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.